What is going on, guys? Stephen Harvey here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to buy XRP, also known as Ripple, in New Zealand. Now if you happen to be stumbling across one of my videos and you're from Australia or even Singapore, then stick around because the methods that I'm going to be showing you in this video also apply to you too. Another awesome reason to stick around is because I'm going to be showing you how to get yourself $10 worth of free Bitcoin. Now the things we're going to cover in this video is creating an account, verifying that account, and obviously completely opening account. Then once you're in there, showing you how to actually buy, like go ahead and deposit money and then buy and sell XRP. We'll also be having a quick little chat about what is XRP and how it works. So if this is something you're interested in, or maybe it's something you already know about and you're not interested in this part of the video, then there's actually little timestamps that you can see along the bar there. So you can obviously see the section that's coming up and you can skip through if you feel like it. But obviously don't skip around too much, because if you kind of miss out on where I tell you about this $10 worth of free Bitcoin, then it's going to be obviously quite hard to find. So starting things out, I would like to thank today's video sponsor, or in fact the sponsor of this series, and that is Independent Reserve. So if we go ahead and have a quick little look here at Independent Reserve, we can see easy way to buy and sell digital assets. And in fact, this is the platform that I'm going to be showing you how to use when signing up. Now, why should you choose Independent Reserve? Obviously, it's up to you. There's so many other exchanges out there. However, if you do happen to be in New Zealand or also Australia and Singapore, then this is actually Australasia's most trusted cryptocurrency exchange. It was established back in 2013, and yeah, like it says here, trusted by over 200,000 customers. They do have amazing 24/7 support, so you know, once you're in the platform, they have a support tab and they get back to you really quick. And then, you know, if you're in Australia and Singapore, they do allow instant deposits, so it's really fast on their end for that as well. And also there is a kind of availability to do dollar cost averaging, and that's going to be something that will be coming up in a future video. So not in today's video, but I will be showing that too. So another reason for you to kind of subscribe to the channel, like the video, and yeah, you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Lastly, a little bit of a exclusive here is, you know, they do have an easy to use app that's going to be coming very soon. So although at the moment you can only access the exchange through desktop platform, you can also access it on your mobile. You just have to go through things like Safari or Google Chrome. But yeah, other than that, they do have an app coming very soon. So you can get signed up now. Once that app comes out, you can go ahead and download it and get trading on that platform or on that app. So to create an account, there is actually a link down in the description. So go ahead and click that link. It's going to take you to a page like this or something similar, or find the button that says create an account, and you can do so there. Once you're inside, you're going to go ahead and choose yourself a username, something unique, something funky if you choose. And then you're going to choose yourself a password. Obviously make sure it's a nice and secure password. And then lastly, we're actually going to leave this referral code blank. The code that I'm going to be giving you to get yourself some free Bitcoin will be once you're inside the platform. So what you'll do is you'll kind of go through the reCAPTCHA here, click create account, and then as you can see up here, we have steps 2 and steps 3. And what this is essentially going to be is just verifying your identity details. So first one is entering those details, things like name, address, why you're opening an account, things like that. And then step 3, last of all, is verifying those details. So, get your camera out or get your smartphone out, take a picture of yourself holding your identification as well as a picture of that identification, things like passports, or in my case, I just used my driver's license. So you can take a picture of the front and the back of that driver's license. Then you also need to verify your address. So simple bank statement with your address on it will be perfect. Now, once you have done that, it can take maybe a day, even less, for them to verify those details, and they'll notify you once you have got yourself a nice brand new exchange account with them. So it's super easy to set up, and once you are inside, now we're going to move into getting yourself a free $10 worth of Bitcoin. So to do so, what you're going to do is inside your account, you're going to head over to the support tab. So you're going to see a row of tabs up the top there that say things like home, buy, sell, trade, accounts, and then support. Click on support, go ahead and message support with this code, and that code I'm going to try to display it across the screen here. It's going to say Harvey 10, so that's all capital letters Harvey, and obviously the number 10 there. Once you submit that to them, you can also elaborate more and be like, hey, I was given this code to allow me to get $10 worth of Bitcoin. The support team, they'll go ahead and honor that and input $10 worth of Bitcoin into your account. So now that everything's approved, maybe you got yourself that $10 of Bitcoin. Even if you don't, obviously you want to go into depositing money onto your account. So let's take a look at my screen now. As we can see, we have the accounts tab in our account. So up the top there, select account, and actually views us, or shows us, I should say, everything from fiat currency all the way into crypto as well. So in this case, for New Zealand dollars, we would click on the deposit button. In that deposit there, we would then put the amount we want to deposit in New Zealand dollars, that is source name, deposit. So kind of follow the instructions, obviously enter your password as well. Click next, and it's gonna take you through. It's a very simple way. Just make sure you read all of this here as you go through, and then step by step it will show you how to do that. And it can usually take about maybe 1 to 2 days for that to process and be put into your account. If you are actually watching this and you're from Australia or Singapore, then you can also see the deposit buttons here. And for this case, they actually do instant transactions for those. So you'll probably find that money would end up in there a lot faster. So yeah, once you've gone through that process, you've got some fiat currency in there. We're then going to show you 2 different ways to actually go ahead and buy. So the first one is clicking on this buy and sell tab up the top here. Once we're in this tab, we can see again all the different cryptocurrencies that we have along the top, and also up here in the top left corner we can actually change these by currency and crypto, and it also shows us the price. So as you can see right now, the market is down around about 15-16%, and that's across a few different currencies. You can actually look at all of the different ones down here: Ethereum, Bitcoin, Cardano, Polkadot, and that's generally influenced by Bitcoin. If Bitcoin's down, a lot of these other altcoins will follow. So what you can do is, go ahead, deposit some money. By the time you're actually watching this video, it would probably be on the same day, as I release it. The same day I release this video is actually the same day I'm filming this video right now. So if you happen to get in and be watching this on the same day that it was released, or even maybe the next day, you might be seeing a good opportunity to actually put some money into the market. So in this case, we are specifically talking about XRP, so we want to go ahead and click on buy XRP. Once we click on buy, it's going to take us to this screen. In the screen here, it just tells us kind of the conversion of it. So in this case, it says $1.61 New Zealand. I have no New Zealand dollars in my account right now. It's all in crypto. So in this case, it's going to say that I don't have enough. My balance is too small. But in this case, you'll just put the amount that you want to buy in your fiat currency, and then it's going to go ahead and show you what that's going to work out to be in XRP. So we're going to get 123 XRP, obviously 0.31070 XRP tokens there. And then we want to go ahead and click buy. Once we click buy, it's going to go ahead and process that transaction. And you'll notice up in the top here where it says XRP, you're going to notice that number there will pretty much go up there. And the number that was in New Zealand dollars that said 200 is going to go to 0 if you had 200. Now, another way to do it is going into the trade tab here. So in the trade tab, we can see it's a little bit more advanced in this case. So we have the order book on the right hand side and also our trade options up the top there. What you will notice is that the price for the trade price is actually less than the buy sell in this case. So we can see here $1.58 when, just 30 seconds ago when we were looking in the buy sell, it was around about $1.60. As you can see, it's just gone up. So as you can see along here, we have all the different orders that are going through. So these are people in the exchange that are buying and selling. These people all here are selling at this price, and these people here are looking to buy at this price. These little options that we have at the top here, we have buy market and sell market. Essentially what this means is that you're going to buy Ripple for New Zealand dollars at the current market price. And so the current market price is set, and that's what you're going to get it at. So same with selling. that's the market price. So if we were to go ahead and buy, you know, we wanted to buy 2 XRP, let's say, for example, actually let's make it a bit more, let's say 100 XRP. It's going to tell us here that it's going to cost us, you know, the value is going to be 160.69 plus the small brokerage fee. It's only a 0.5%, and then $161 is our total. So then we go click on preview buy order. What that's going to do, well, actually, if I change, I don't want to change it to US dollars, but yeah, what will happen is it's going to show up with that buy order, and it'll just show you the details. You want to confirm that and go ahead, and then it's going to execute that. So yeah, once that's up there, it'll kind of say it's open. The status of it will be open, and then once it's closed, it means that that buy order has been executed. Same with the sell order. Both of them are exactly the same, but obviously doing 2 different things. Now, buy limit and sell limit. This means that, you know, you want to buy Ripple for a specified price. So let's say up here we've got, you know, $1.58, and actually it's fluctuating a lot as I'm creating this video. But say we want to buy 10 Ripple, and then per, you know, the bid price, so this is the per Ripple price, is, say, you know, in this case it's $1.58. Let's say we might be waiting for it to drop further, because if we want to buy and we want to buy it lower, then what it means is that's $1.50 times that by 10, that works out to be $15, and then with that small brokerage fee on top, and then we can preview that buy order and submit it. Now, that's not going to buy XRP for you straight away. What that's going to do is it's going to wait until that price of XRP gets down to $1.50. If it does, it might not reach $1.50. If it doesn't reach $1.50, then it's not going to execute that order. So that order in there can be in for a specific amount of time. Much the same with a sell limit too. So a sell limit, same thing. If you're looking to sell your XRP, obviously we're not going to go $1.50 if it's at $1.58, because we're going to get less money. In this case, we're going to go the opposite, and we might say, you know, once XRP hits $1.70, I want to sell 10 XRP tokens here, and it will show you that price that you're going to receive, and that's fiat currency that you're going to receive, not XRP. So hopefully I explained everything in depth for you. It is a kind of step-by-step walkthrough, so you can do multiple different options there and with multiple different cryptocurrencies. In this video, we are specifically speaking about XRP, and you know, let's talk a little bit about XRP, what it is, and to start off, we need to talk about RippleNet here. So RippleNet, the financial network of the future, and essentially, just to put it in the smallest, most simplest terms, what they're trying to achieve is faster transactions. Now, in today's age, if we want to send money between different countries, we use the SWIFT, so yeah, SWIFT transfer method. But you know, when we do this method, it could take, depending on the different countries, it can take a day, 2 days, even 3 days for this to process. And not only that, is there's also, you know, different fees associated to this, some higher, some lower. But with these fees, you know, you've got transactions fees. You also have exchange fees. If you want to go and send money between New Zealand to a United States bank account, you've got to exchange those New Zealand dollars into US dollars. So a whole bunch of different fees associated with it. And so what RippleNet is, you know, sought out to do is to solve that problem, and both, one, speed up these transactions, and two, you know, minimize any of the fees involved with it. So yeah, we'll scroll down and just have a quick little look here. You know, offers connections to hundreds of financial institutions around the world. Keep going down here. Yeah, across 55 plus countries, 120 plus currency pairs. Let's see. Keep going down. So decentralized as well. 3+ seconds to send a payment. So, you know, instead of sending it within a day or 2 days or 3 days, how about just 3 seconds? You know, what we can do is we can go to this one and we can talk a little bit more about XRP. So yeah, if I scroll down, what is XRP? XRP is a digital asset built for payments. It is the native digital asset on the XRP ledger. XRP is open source, permissionless, and decentralized blockchain technology that settles transactions in 3 to 5 seconds. Faster, less costly, more scalable, all of the above, really. And so yeah, XRP is kind of built as a way to, you know, to source liquidity. So as you can see here, RippleNet what we speak about, just a minute ago. RippleNet customers can use XRP for sourcing liquidity in cross-border transactions instead of pre-funding, ensuring instant settlement, low exchange fees, and more efficient use of working capital. So yeah, if you do want to check this out more in depth, because I don't want to draw out this video any longer of how it is than what it already is, but I will leave these links down in the description. So we have the most important link, which is signing up to the Independent Reserve Exchange. Then we also have links to the RippleNet and what this is about. We also have links to XRP and how this works in pairs with RippleNet. And then lastly, if you are watching this video, you might have already heard things about the SEC and kind of claiming that, rather than being like a digital currency, it is actually not. So you can see here 6 things to know about the XRP SEC case, and it kind of main takeaways. This has been dragging on since December 2020. It was actually delisted from some of the major crypto platforms. And so what happened is the price of XRP actually plummeted quite a lot. Now, from rumor has it as well, and in terms of not even just rumor, but also a lot of indicators are pointing towards XRP actually being more in the favorable position of winning this lawsuit. And so that's why certain platforms have listed XRP again, allowed it to be traded, and the price of it has actually gone up as well. Now, it's not 100% official yet, so it's kind of like buying the news. So in this case, some people are doing that, but if we do see that kind of crossover and officially they win this lawsuit, then you might see the price of XRP skyrocket. But this isn't financial advice. Anything I say, just take it with a grain of salt, because I'm not a financial advisor in any way. So we'll actually leave the links to these resources down in the description below, so you can go ahead and do a little bit of your own research. Obviously on this platform, YouTube, there's hundreds, if not thousands of videos talking about XRP and Ripple too, so you can also find those just by searching them. On top of that, if you did like this video though, do smash the like button, and of course hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and then you can keep updated with my series of videos here. That is all from me today. I do hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys in the next one.